In this tutorial, I just want to show you how you can make a graph that has a secondary axis in Microsoft Excel. So here we have some data. It just sales for a given date and then the number of units that were sold. But as you can see, the number of units that were sold is very on a different scale than the sales. So to do this, we're going to go ahead and make a combo chart. So first we want to highlight the data that we want to make a chart on. Then go to the Insert tab, click Recommended Charts. Then we're going to go to All Charts. After this, we're going to go to the bottom, then click Combo Chart. And here basic combo chart, it has it to where you have a different kind of chart type or the same chart type for each data series that you have. So here you can have a separate chart type for sales and a separate chart type for line. Now, there are some different options at the top that we can select that kind of defaults to, but to make a secondary axis, what we have to do is actually just select the chart types that we want, and then we can click on whichever piece we want to have as a secondary axis. So let's one of these sales is a secondary axis. You can click on that, and as you can see, it makes a lot more sense now because the sales is equivalent to running axis on the right, and then the number of units is corresponding to axis on the left, or you can do the same thing for units. And then now I can just click OK. And as you can see, now we have a secondary axis for the number of units in our chart, which can make the chart make a lot more sense. So as I said, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.